Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on my channel. So what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be building a train game. So what you want to do is, where is it? I'll go back to you when I've got it. So you want to get this train here, and it'll be a 150 I think, or 153. It should say Reaver on it. You can keep it as a Reaver if you want to, but I am as well. So then you want to get the rails like this and group them, put it on the track. Just like that, and then you want to control D the track to how long you want it. And then what you want to do is get a block, get your platform to how high the door is. And then make it concrete. Actually no, don't make it concrete, make it brick. And change the colour to a red, like that. And then you get Control D, lift that up, like so. And you get concrete with a white, just like that. And then you get a block again, and put it as a yellow if you want it. This is just a yellow line for you. Just like that. I'll get back to you when this is all done. So we're just building a little we're just building a little waiting room here. Nice light blue carpet. I'll be doing an episode 2 again today as well. And also this will be your entrance for the train station. Have it about that tall. You can have it taller if you want it. Make your waiting room a bit bigger if you want it to be. So I'm going to release this train station as a model. I'll make sure to link it in the description. I won't forget. So now half of the time I forget to put my models in the description. It's just so it saves you guys time. And then you can just follow the rest of the steps. And then what you want to do here is then get get some pebble. Put it as like a whitish colour, not that white, but yeah, just like that. You got yourself some stones on your trucks, which will make it look smarter as well. You don't have to go with the same design as me, you can change up your station if you want. This is what I'm going with. I have my station called Melbourne. Just like so. Like that. So now the thing you want to do here is you can put some little signposts up, like that, and put them as concrete, as some like little advertisement boards. I'm going to my images. I'm going to put my own image in it. So there you go, put some lemon. And now you want to put some buffers in the station around here. But if you use my model, that will already be in there for you. You don't really have to worry about doing it. So then I'm gonna put like a little signpost here. Saying like welcome to Melbourne. So there you go, this is the design of my train station. Got like a little coffee machine, welcome to Melbourne signs, train. Another welcome to Melbourne sign. And then desk. I want to get like a destination board or something. So what I'm going to do now is make these curves and then we'll do the outro for the video. I will make sure that I do put the what's it called? I'll make sure that I will put the train station in the description. There we go, just group that, anchor it. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video today, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.